Hey everybody, it's your girl V again, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am out and about. I actually picked up a quick item from the store because I've been carrying around my phone, like holding it like this in my hand, and I got other little gadgets that I bought, but I'm not satisfied with them when I'm vlogging and making my videos. So I bought this one because it is a 6-in-1 tripod. It's supposed to do all kind of different things. Hopefully y'all can see that because I'm in the car and I'm under this shaded tree. But it's supposed to do 6 different things. So it holds a smartphone, a camera, a GoPro, you know, and it's handheld. So hopefully I can work with this more than the other ones that I have. I wanted to share this with y'all really quick, that your girl is at work. You got to learn how to invest in yourself, in the things that you are doing. So I felt like me buying this was an investment. And all the other stuff that I bought too, I felt like those things were investment too. It doesn't matter how much you pay for it, or how much it costs. It's like, what can you do with that item to better yourself? So that's what I'm doing. I'm like, I want to make better videos, and I want to be able to hold my phone and show my audience better views of things and stuff like that. And I'm wanting to use this to help me do so. I also need to invest in getting me a new phone. I have a camera. My husband bought me a camera. Only thing is that, y'all, I have no idea to, let me see, how can I say this? I don't want to say I don't have no idea, because I can always learn how to do it. But at this moment, I really have not picked up the skill or the knowledge of how to edit my videos on my computer by putting the SD card in there from my camera. So I have a camera that my husband bought for me, but y'all, I'm still learning. Let me say that I am still learning. So I need to try to work on that a little bit more and learn how to do it from there, and then I can use my camera instead of my phone. My storage is filling up. Like, I'm still learning so much, trying to figure out what works for me when it comes to editing. I like doing my editing on the phone. It's quick. Well, I ain't gonna say it's quick. Oh, I ain't gonna say that. Lord knows I don't want to say that, because sometimes, y'all, I have to keep doing it over and over because it stops, it do all kind of stuff. When I tell you, it's not as easy as I thought it was gonna be, but it's okay. The effort that I'm putting in, I believe it's gonna pay off, and it's paying off. Let me say it that way. It's paying off because I'm enjoying it, and I'm being able to show other people things that I do in my home, with my children, with my family, just so much stuff, just welcoming people in my life. And it's so good to share your life with others. I can't say that enough. It's so good to share your life with others. Your downs, your ups, your rounds, whatever. It's good to share your life with others. Whole point is, I came on here, y'all. I don't want to stay too long because I got other stuff to do today, and I want to do some recording. So I'm gonna take this out the box. I want to show y'all real quick what it looked like. This is my first time taking it out the box myself. But I guess this little piece right here is for the GoPro. Y'all know your girl got to learn how to read instructions instead of just trying to figure it out without looking. Excuse me. So let's see. It comes with a USB cord. It also has a, let's see what this is. Okay, this is a smartphone mount. So this is what I would normally use when I'm, you know, doing anything, when I'm recording. And I have some tripods or little stands that has this already, but I'm not really happy with how it's working out for me. So this is the smartphone mount. Let's see, what is number 3? Oh, number 3, this is a rechargeable shadow release. Rechargeable shutter release. So I guess you can push the button and it will start your videos or whatever. It's like a little remote, and you can charge it up with the USB cord. Okay, and that snaps onto your, oh, this heavy. It's nice. I like that. It snaps onto your selfie tripod. It snaps on there. That's where the little button is. So it snaps on there. It's a nice, oh, that's why it's heavy like that, because it has the little stick in there. But yeah, it has the little stick, and then it has the little twist right here for your camera, the little thing that you twist to tighten your camera. And it's like a selfie stick. It has the little grips on here that you can grip your hand around and hold your camera towards you or wherever it's facing, and then you can turn it into a selfie stick as well. So it has all of these different things that it does. And you can just open it up and sit it on the counter or sit it wherever, and you know, and it stands up. How long the stick is, it adjusts from 7 inches to 36 inches. So you can stretch it out or whatever. It is a little stick, but it's awesome. It's 6 in 1. It's cool. So I bought this from Walmart, and I think it was less than $20. It got a nice little weight on it too. So we shall see how this go. You can twist it and tighten everything. Those are all the pieces that was in there. So I'm planning on trying to use this today. Wherever I go, and see how it works out for me. But yeah, y'all, I just wanted to share that with you. Invest in yourself. It doesn't matter what it is that you're deciding to do with yourself, as long as it's something that makes you happy, that is not hurting others, that is causing you to rise up and be the best that you can be. That's all that matters. So again, I just wanted to share this video with y'all, showing that, you know, baby steps is good steps. And so when you take the time to do those things, great outcomes can happen. So again, I say, invest in yourself today, even if it's going outside and taking a walk and breathing in deep breaths, just relaxing your mind, and getting your mind to a place of peace. That's investing in yourself. Even if you buying little things like this just to see how it works to make something better for you, that's investing in yourself. You know, there's so many ways that you can invest in yourself. And so when you invest in yourself and make yourself better, you're able to invest in others' lives, even when you don't even realize that you're doing that. You don't even realize that you investing in the lives of others, by your videos, by your mind being renewed at peace, that you can just listen to what they're saying. All kind of things, y'all. So many ways. But again, y'all, I am going to get ready and leave. Hopefully, I'm able to record something today that it look like it's getting a little cloudy out here. But until next time, y'all, be blessed. Have an awesome day. And see you soon. Bye.